Have you ever wondered what happens in our brains when we learn something new? It all starts with special cells called engram cells. Engram cells are crucial for learning and memory. These cells form the physical basis of a memory trace in the brain. When we learn something new, specific neurons are activated and form connections with each other, creating a network known as an engram. This network is reactivated when we recall the memory, allowing us to retrieve the information. Engram cells are essential for the storage and retrieval of memories, making them a key component in understanding how our brains work. So, the next time you remember your favorite song or recall a cherished moment with a friend, think about the amazing engram cells working behind the scenes in your brain.